In this video, we will test out the three methods that we wrote till now. So first of all, we have to create a, we have to call our class. So contact book is equal to contact book. And here, first of all, we will add a contact in our contact book. So simply add contact. Here we have to write first of all name, so that will be Rahul. Then we have our address, we can write it like Jaipur. Then we have our phone number, so we can write phone number in a string format, so something like that. In the end we have our email, so we can write email@gmail.com. Now let's run this code and we will see that it is working properly fine or not. Okay, it is running. Okay, so as you can see that we got some error there because we forgot to change the data. It is private member, so we have to change it there. So now let's try to do this thing again. First of all, we will clear it and now run it again. Added successfully. As you can see that our data is added successfully. Now in this second operation we will try to delete it. Okay, so we will write contact book.delete contact, and there we will use this phone number as a key. Now run this code again and we will see that it is working perfectly fine or not. As we can see that our both functions are working perfectly fine, there is no error. Now we will try to use our third function. There we will add it some details, so remove this delete operation. Simply write contact book dot edit contact. There we will change only our the name will be Ram, and otherwise all the things are just none. We are not going to write anything there. So also we can do like name is equal to, we have Ram, and then we can use contact number. The phone number, we have our parameter there. Phone number will be, this is our phone number. So here we just want to update the name. So now let's try to run this code. As you can see that there is no error, data updated successfully. So these all the functions are working perfectly fine, there is no error. Now in the next video we will try to write the code in the search contact method.